Okay, so this is problem number 3 from section 3.3. And the issue students run into is usually there's a couple things. First thing, you'll notice this is not quite ready to put into a matrix. It's kind of all over the place. So remember, when we set up a matrix, we always want it to be our variables augmented with the equal sign on the right hand side. So we just need to solve each of these equations. So just the value that has no variable um, is all that stuff's on the left and the equal sign is on the right. So for example, this first equation, let me zoom in, give myself a little more space to work with. Okay, so this first problem right here would be, first thing I'd want to do is distribute the 3. So that would give me z minus u is equal to 3x minus 3y plus 14. So now that I have that, move all my stuff to the left-hand side, leave the equal sign, just the constant on the right-hand side. So that would give me negative 3x plus 3y plus z minus u equals 14. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop that into my matrix. Keep in mind what they want the answer in terms of, so that way you can correctly order your numbers, but I don't know what they are, so I'm just going to do x, y, z, u, that order. So this equation would go in as negative 3, positive 3, positive 1, negative 1, 14. Okay, so and then rinse and repeat for the other two equations. Now, the other thing students sometimes miss is this is a word problem. There are words above, and note some of the information up in the word problem isn't given down in the equations, because notice they're telling you that the companies have a combined audience of 284 million users. So which means there's another equation, there's a fourth equation that just says x plus y plus z plus u equals 284. Um, because notice it's measured as audience in millions, so therefore it's just 284. So you're going to have four equations, which is a good thing because now you have four variables, four equations, so you can actually get an answer. You have as many equations as you do unknowns, so it's perfect. So that my guess is that's probably where you were stuck, is just the setup. Once you get it all in the matrix, you're probably fine because you're at section 3.3. After you get in the matrix, it's really a 3.2 problem. So I'll leave it at that, and I hope that helps you.